This is a PanItalia, 41 piano keys, 120 buttons in the bass, 4 reeds in the right hand, low, middle, middle, high. Let's go through all of them. It's got these cool like toggle switches. So down here, you start with bassoon on the bottom row. Okay, and here you have the piccolo. Okay, now here's the clarinet. Now we have the organ. Above that is the oboe, which is middle and high. And then over here is melodeon, which is low. They call it melodeon. A lot of people, other accordions called it bandoneon, so it's low and middle. Now over here we have violin, 2 middles. And then over here is 2 middles and 1 low that they call accordion. Then top row we have harmonium, which is low, middle, high. And then finally the musette, which is middle, middle, and high. Okay, over here on the left hand, the highest most switch gives us this. Okay, next one. Next one down. Next one down from there. I think, let's see, it's that one. Next one down. Okay, the next one.